In the mists of ancient Japan, a divine tale unfolded, a story of the sun goddess Amaterasu, a deity whose radiance would illuminate the hearts and minds of the people for millennia. Born from the left eye of Izanagi, the god of creation, Amaterasu was a celestial being, destined to rule over the heavens and bring light to the world. However, her brother Susanoo, the god of storms and chaos, threatened to disrupt this divine balance. Susanoo's antics grew uncontrollable, his destructive nature causing fear and turmoil among the gods. When he descended into the earthly realm, his behavior reached a new level of madness, leaving the heavens in darkness. Amaterasu, the goddess of light, was distraught. The heavens were plunged into darkness, and her divine power was waning. The other gods, fearing for their light and warmth, pleaded for her return. In response, Amaterasu retreated into a sacred cave, hiding from her brother's chaos. The heavens grew colder, the earth began to tremble, and the gods were in despair. Aware of the gravity of the situation, the god Amenemene devised a plan to lure Amaterasu out of the cave. He fashioned a mirror, reflecting her own brilliance, and placed it at the entrance of the cave. Intrigued by her reflection, Amaterasu peeked out. The sight of her glorious visage, the reflection of her divine light, was enough to call her back. With a shimmering smile, she stepped forth from the cave, returning the light to the heavens. Her brother Susanoo, realizing the chaos he had caused, was banished to the sea. Amaterasu's reign was restored, and she became the queen of the heavens. The people of Japan would come to reverence her as the sun goddess, their divine protector, and the light that guided them through the darkness. For centuries, Amaterasu's story was passed down through oral traditions, her legend woven into the very fabric of Japanese culture. Her light continues to shine, illuminating the hearts and minds of the people, a testament to the power of light over darkness, and the enduring legacy of the sun goddess Amaterasu.